Hey guys, we made it to Johnson Valley today, unfortunately with some bad news because they got the lake bed closed over there. They're doing some live firing, it says, so we can't go onto the lake bed, but a lot of unloading to do.
I have to go pee so bad.
Do your business.
When you look up, you do. It's not an airplane. It's actually.
All right, I'm gonna work on the campsite setup. So we got a lot of stuff we're trying to do here. We got grilling. Carlo, you can help me with this because I know you're gonna be using the chill spot.
I'm trying to get, and we gotta get out of the bag.
Yeah. See that handle under there? In the middle? Push it up.
I'm trying to.
Push it up to the sky. Push it, push it, push it.
I don't know. I get the
Push! Okay, it has to just go straight up.
That's easy because you are grown up. That was easy because you are grown up. Is it still going? Dada.
What?
Dada.
What?
Dada.
What?
Good job, Carlo.
I'm gonna do crazy wall climbing. Yeah, I don't wanna go on the trail.
Oh my god, dude, watch where you're going, bro.
Yeah, I am.
Just full speed crash into me though.
I don't like sitting up there.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta do some work.
You go from the back, I'll go from the front.
So unbox this grill. So I don't have to build this thing.
Dada, the 3 chairs are done.
Good, thank you, son. See this thing here.
Is it gonna work?
I hope. It's very big and heavy.
You and Caesar chose it.
Yeah. That we did.
Is it gonna work or do we need to return it?
Yeah.
Can someone just do me a favor and get all this cardboard and styrofoam put in the box so I can build this thing real quick? This is way more building than I imagined. Furniture piece here.
Did they give you the tools to do it?
Look at it.
Oh my goodness, babe! Build yourself! It's part of your adventure.
Alright, grill is finally done. Alright, now I can move on to get to the next things done. Caesar, can you untie mommy's bike in the front?
There we go.
Alright, thank you.
Hold on, it's still, you got something there. Alright, bye-bye. Hold on, hold on.
Hi guys, so we're doing some unloading right now and we're about to go ride. It's gonna be a good time. Really good time. Here is Daddy's Kawasaki. Here is Caesar's Honda. Here is my Mama's Kawasaki.
So bummed I forgot Matthew's team. Sweet's out here. Put your seatbelt on. Is my camera on, baby?
Oh, I don't know.
Right here. It's right in front of you. Right here on top of my head.
It's on.
Yeah. Oh, that hurt my knee. Oh, slid out right there.
Some ice?
Huh?
Ice?
No, I'm good. It's gonna be bruised. Soft and
That's what I'm worried about.
slippery. Yeah, I gotta let it sit for a second. Oh, look at that, Caesar. From when I laid it down right now.
Yeah, can I put mine?
Battle scars. Fell down. They are way up there. Camera never does it justice. Allie's doing selfies.
Bend your knees when you go down. Check that rocks are not wobbly first before you go down. And keep your legs bent so your legs stay strong to go down. Oh, you're collecting sticks, huh? There's Dad cruising around down there.
Go this way.
Yep, make sure the rocks you step on are not loose.
That's a little bit.
Here's Dada.
All right, we're back at camp. I'm gonna get some cooking going here. I'm hungry. This new grill tested out here.
I found a blue gold.
Do you need me to reach or you got it?
No, I got it.
Okay, let me look here.
Good all natural.
Huh?
All natural.
Ends up being a good little girl, yeah?
Huh? Yeah. Damn, that was a bad placement. Oh well. Seems to be working out okay. Got some hot diggities. Can't really see the burgers in there, but they're in there. Kids are riding around. Allie's riding around with Mackers and Caesar. Carlo! 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 Got the cheeseburgers done. Hot digglies done. Burger's not bad. She'll do even without some seasoning. Also want to give a shout out to Sean, who saw us at the Walmart when we were loading up this morning. Thanks for stopping by, man. That was super awesome.
Hot diggly dog, Mama! Hot dogs! Hot diggly dog!
I went up a hill.
You did?
Yep.
Did you do it?
Down a hill.
You went up and down a hill?
Yeah, Caesar's like, Mama, you went up a hill.
Good job, baby.
And I shifted all the way down to park properly.
And you didn't stall it?
Didn't stall it.
There to go.
Look at me.
You're getting it. More seat time. You'll be better than James in a minute. Well, I got Matthew's bike running. So bummed I forgot Matthew's key. I was able to unplug the ignition just so it could get started. That was cool. That worked out. There you go. All right, Caesar's gonna try the clutch.
Huh?
Go circle.
You're gonna go in a circle, drive straight. Watch out, Mac's right behind you though. That's what he meant. Oh, good job, Mac. He's learning, man. He's learning.
Yeah.
He needs to put his boots on though, so he's not breaking his ankles.
Do you want me to tell him right here?
Yeah, once he comes back. Build him up because he's really nervous and really anxious. Say, hold on, Mac, great job so far. Put your kickstand. Put your kickstand. Oh yeah, how do you turn it off?
Huh?
I wonder how you turn it off. You gotta turn the gas off.
I don't know.
You know, because it's not gonna die. Because there's no key. Or you gotta plug the ignition back in to make it realize that it's not there. Go.
Wow. I'm so heavy.
Okay, you gotta start the bike first. Put your head up too. But you gotta feel it. You can't stare at it. You gotta just look up in front of you and feel it. There you go.
To get into the gear right there. That's exactly what you need. That little lit, that part, perfect.
Here. Oh my God.
This way.
Good job, man. Much better, right? Yeah. Got you in second gear now. Huh?
Accidental faces.
I know.
Like,
He did good though. Nervous?
I almost fell.
You got it, man. You're doing good. Run it. Practice. That dude's getting good. He's getting confident. Oh, Ali was like, I don't know why my bike stalled. Ran out of gas, mama. Filled it up too much. Like all the way to the top. Don't hit each other in the eyes with those. That's really gonna hurt, okay? I know, but if you hit him in the eyes, why don't you both go get your goggles on? Okay. Set it down and get your goggles on.
I don't think we have goggles.
Yeah, you do. Go use some goggles.
when we know not to take it away, we just make it safer.
Yeah, yeah.
Stick pipe.
That's true.
Like, oh, we have to just make it safer stage. When they were toddlers, we'd be like, no, don't do it.
Yeah.
Be yelling at them.
That's what I was like, as long as their eyes are protected and they can get scratched up.
They'll be alright.
Yeah.
Data treatment.
All time. Mac versus Boot. Who's gonna win? It's off. You just gotta pull it. Here, I'll help you. I'm gonna make my foot straight. Yeah, there you go. You got it. Okay.
Ah, stinky feet!
My jeans are all petrified. All right. Almost time to call it a day here.
Yeah, those are your feet like that too.
I'm probably just gonna ride home with those shoes, guys. Hello? Barbecue?
We're headed out of here.
Wait, I want. So that's
Crazy quick day. Catch you on the next one. Adios.